Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Hoven of Ramos Law and your host for Health Matters. Today, we're going to talk about something close to my heart, chiropractic. Stay tuned as I explain what it is, how it works, and why it's beneficial if you've been in an accident. I, by training, am a chiropractor. Our letters after our names are DC, which means Doctor of Chiropractic, and I have a huge love for what our art and our science does. For many people, they've never tried a chiropractor, but if you've been in trauma, if you've been in a car accident, a slip and fall, if something has happened where you've hit your head, you may have gone to a chiropractor, and it's super common. Now, chiropractic's interesting because it's been around officially since 1895 when a guy named Dr. Palmer coined the term and started using chiropractic on patients. And chiro means hand and practico means the practice of. So it's the practice of using your hands to help people. So chiropractic as an art has been around since then officially, but it goes back to bone manipulating and joint manipulating, goes back thousands of years into the Asian cultures. And it's been incredibly effective that entire time. So let me bring it back to if you've been in an accident or trauma of some kind. What happens is that the spine or another joint of the body will undergo a trauma, and that affects the way that joint moves. Unfortunately, there's a lot of receptors in those joints that go back up to the brain to explain to the brain the health of what's going on or the status of what's going on in the body. The brain uses that information and then it sends back a message that says, okay, here's what's going on, here's what we need to do to fix it. So now imagine if your joints that are sending that important message up to the brain are not working right. Then what the brain gets is there's stress going on and the brain sends back down a stress response message. Something along the lines of, we need to tighten up those muscles. We need to make less motion out there so the body doesn't hurt itself. We need to increase our heart rate. We need to increase our respiration rate. All of that takes place because of this feedback loop that goes from the nervous system that travels through the spine up to the brain and then back from the brain out through those same nerves to the various parts of the body. That's how chiropractic can affect literally the cells of the body. If we get the brain getting good messages up by adjusting that spine, then the brain can send back down more positive messages like, okay, we don't need to send pain to this area of the body, that area of the body. We can allow more relaxation. We can let you sleep better. So this brain-body connection. Now, chiropractic is not the sole answer for every condition. And in fact, that's why we love the chiropractors that we work with at Ramos Law. We love that they work with medical doctors, with physical therapists, acupuncturists, massage therapists, because now you're using the chiropractic concept of making sure the joints are moving right, making sure that the flexibility of the spine is there, making sure that there's balance and good movement. We use that with these other providers that do these other amazing things to complement the treatment that's going on. So chiropractic, it's a beautiful medicine. It has an incredible depth to it. And when seeking out a good chiropractor, first, ask them what they feel about your treatment plan. Are they trying to just get you out of pain? Are they trying to get you into more function? Are they into maintenance? And make sure that that chiropractor's goals fit your goals. Also, ask them how much trauma that they've treated in the past. If a chiropractor is more of a wellness-based chiropractor, that might not be the best person that you would go see if you've been in a severe accident, fall, that kind of thing. You may need to find someone who has more training on specifically how to treat injured joints and muscles. So if you have questions on finding a good chiropractor, please reach out to me. It's jim@ramoslaw.com, and I will help you find one in your area. If you have other questions, let me know about that as well. But I hope you'll give chiropractic a try and let it be part of your healthcare system, whether you're recovering from an injury or you just want to be the best level person and have the highest level of health you can. Until next time, remember, your health matters.